Hi everyone, today I want to share with you a tip that will help you to show that you are listening to your patients. Because sometimes you get patients who will say, the dentist wasn't listening to me, didn't listen to my concern, wasn't really attentive to my worries and my concerns. I want to share with you two tips that will help you to be a good listener. So, first, for credibility, my name is Khaled. I have been a dentist for 20 years. I run my own dental practice, Lakeside Dental Spa in Half Bay in Queensland. I took it from one chair to 10 chairs, from three staff members to close to 40 staff members over the course of 15 years. And you can check my details below for credibility. So, tip number one, when patients talking about something, going on about something with their treatment, let's say, is talking about history of their previous dentist and how they filled the tooth and they had to take it out and then another tooth. So going on about story. A lot of times I see dentists just like their face and like nodding, their mouth half open. When you're nodding and half open, it doesn't mean you're listening. It doesn't mean it means that hey, I wanna talk now. You just wanna step in and talk and something. So one tip is just try to pause a little bit and just keep a good level of eye contact and just maybe have one hand under your chin, maybe tilt your head a little bit, and you just very slow nods every now and then, but not like fast nods like that. Just really like slow nods, and this will show them that you are actively listening and digesting the information they are giving you. The second tip is very simple. Whenever you ask any questions, although you know the answer, and I've seen this a lot with a lot of dentists as well, especially when I'm in the room helping them, they just answer straight away. You need to pause before you answer. If you answer straight away, it sounds like you're not listening, but if you pause, it makes them feel that you actually listen to their question and you process the question and give the answer. Also, if you don't pause, sometimes you answer too quick and your answer is not very accurate and you start to try to backtrack and try to correct what you said, and it makes you sound very inexperienced. So, for example, a patient will ask you, "Oh, doctor, can you do all these fillings in one appointment?" Yeah, yeah, of course we can do it. Too quick. I would just pause a little bit. Doctor, can you do this in one appointment? I'll just pause a little bit. It's like, for sure, yeah, we got three fillings here and two crowns. If it's actually very beneficial to do this in one appointment because we just want anesthetic. Instead of you taking time off work and coming multiple times, we can just do it all in one time. Dentist will say, or patient will say, oh, is it gonna hurt? Oh, no, 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 don't worry. I know it's not gonna hurt. Again, too quick. Just pause. Like we're gonna put a lot of anesthetic there, and if you feel anything, you can just let me know. I will stop immediately and give you more anesthetic. So, any question you get asked about the treatment planning, for example, do we have to do the orthodontics first or the gum disease first? We have to fix the perio first. Again, too quick, too abrupt. Just pause. All right, just listen to them. Pause. It's like, yeah, probably the best scenario is we do the gum treatment first. Make sure the gum is stable and the teeth are healthy and stable before we move them with aligners. So once the gum is healthy, we can move into the aligners. So that will be the steps. So pause just for 2 or 3 seconds before you answer the question, and this will make the patient feel that you listened. You actively listen to their question, and you actively process the question, and you're giving them an answer that hopefully will satisfy them, and they will walk out having a good experience. If you find this information helpful, make sure you like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to hear more about my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will notify you when more videos are released.